Let's take Polkinghorne, since I mentioned him. In one of his books, he said, physics is powerless to explain its faith in the rational intelligibility of the universe. Why? Because you have to believe that the universe is rationally intelligible before you'll do any physics at all. So all of us who are scientists, we start off believing, to put it as simply as possible, that science can be done. Now, we can ask why we believe that, but it's the fact. We believe science can be done. We have a faith commitment. And it was that Einstein referred to when he said, I cannot imagine a genuine scientist without that faith. He wasn't talking about faith in God. He was talking about faith, in his case, in the fact that mathematics works. The universe is at least in part mathematically intelligible. Now, this is the interesting thing, that science is as much faith-based as Christianity. And the same question applies. We ask, what's the evidence upon which we can base our faith in Christ? What's the evidence upon which we can base our faith in science? But then science is not just one thing. It's a multitude of disciplines and an almost infinite variety of claims, and you have to justify each one. It's not enough to say, I have faith in science. You have to be much more specific than that. I don't have faith in all that is claimed to be science. But at that fundamental level, we have to trust, and what we have to trust is interesting. We have to actually trust our minds in order to do science. Now, belief in God is so much not against reason that it was the motor that drove the rise of modern science, which is an extremely rational endeavor. And therefore, I want to say it's not a leap into the dark, believing in God. It's a step into the light, because there's rational evidence to support it. The step into the dark is to look at the evidence and say, there is no God, and then perhaps not realizing it, but you're embracing a very deep darkness, because you now have no explanation for the rationality with which you're getting to that conclusion. C.S. Lewis once put it this way. He said, any theory or any train